Hello all, in this video we are going to learn about some native species of Tamil Nadu. Native species in the sense the plant that is growing traditionally in our country. Common fig, botanical name Ficus carsica. Ficus carsica is commonly known as fig. In Tamil Nadu it is called as Atti. Most widely found in the regions of middle, western and eastern part of Asia, and also it is cultivated throughout the world. It grows up to 7 to 10 meter, that is 23 to 33 feet. Uses. We have plenty of uses in fig. Some of the major uses. It can be intaken as a fruit. It is an ornamental plant. It serves as a worm controller. This fruit is used in commercial food industries. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. Learn is of oak. Botanical name Quercus. Called as oak. In Tamil, it is called as Karuvali. It belongs to the order Fagiales and family Fagaceae. There are approximately 500 extant species of oak. It is found in cool temperature to tropical latitudes in the America, Asia, Europe and North Africa. As like fig, we have lots of use in oak too. Oak is commonly used for furniture making and flooring. Oak wood chips are also used for smoking fish, meat, cheese and other foods. These leaves are used as fodder during lean periods and as for livestock. Oak bark is also rich in tannil and is used by tanners for tanning leather. So it is used in leather industries. Oak galls were used for centuries as a main ingredient in iron gall ink for manuscripts. In all fields, oak is effective. The third tree we are going to learn is Terminalia belisarica, tree. It is commonly known as Bahira or Bastard myrobalan. In Tamil, it is called as Thandri. It belongs to the order Martales and family Combredaceae. It is a large deciduous tree commonly found on plains and lower hills of Southeast Asia. It is also typically found at roadsides. The leaves are about 50 cm long and its seeds are called bida nuts. Uses. The leaves of these trees are considered as a good fodder for cattle. Its seeds have an oil content of 40%, whose fatty acid methyl ester meets all of the major biodiesel requirements in USA, Germany and European countries. So it is used as a oil plant. Its fruit is used in popular Indian herbal rasayan treatment Trifobola. It is used in Ayurvedic herbal rasayana formula. It is used to protect liver and to treat respiratory problems.
The next tree we are going to see is Maua. Its botanical name is Medusa longifolia. It is a fast-growing tree that grows to approximately 20 meters in height. It belongs to the family Saptotaceae. It is commonly known as Maua or Ilipai in Tamil. Medusa longifolia is an Indian tropical tree found largely in the central and North Indian plains and forest. It is adaptable to arid environment. It possesses evergreen or semi-evergreen leaves. In India, it is mostly found in the states of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Maharashtra. And it is cultivated in the warm and humid regions. The fat is used for the care of skin, to manufacturing soap or detergent, and as a vegetable butter. It can also be used as a fuel wood. The seed of the mawa is used to extract oil. The seed cakes obtained after extraction of oil constitute very good fertilizer. The flowers are used to produce an alcoholic drink in the tropical India. Several parts of the tree, including the bark, are used for their medicinal properties. The next tree we are going to see is teak. Its botanical name is Tectona grandis. Teak belongs to the family Laminaceae. Teak is a large deciduous tree native of India. It is highly tolerant of range of climate conditions and can be found from very dry to very moist region. The tree has a straight but buttressed stem. The leaves are opposite or sometimes rolled in young specimens about 0.5 meter long. The bark of the stem is about 1.3 centimeter thick. Teakwood has high oil content, high tensile strength, and tight grain make it particularly suitable where the resistance is desired. And it is used in the manufacturing of outdoor furniture and board decks. It is also used for cutting boards, indoor in flooring, countertops, and veneer finishing. On account of its resistance to chemical, teak articles are used in the chemical laboratories. The special characters of teak wood is it regulates its own temperature, allowing itself to stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Last but not the least is Java plum. Its botanical name is Zyzicum cumini. Java plum belongs to the family Mitraceae. In India, it is commonly known as blackberry, and in Tamil, Java plum is called Navapalam. It has a rich color and sweet taste. This tree reaches up to the height 30 meters and can live more than 100 years. And it has been spread overseas from India by Indian immigrants, and at present it is commonly in tropical countries. Java plum is loaded with vitamin C and iron, so it increases hemoglobin. It is beneficial for the heart as it is extremely loaded with potassium. It also keeps the arteries healthy and prevents its hardening. It is one of the best home remedies for stomach pain, diabetes, and arthritis. The iron present in the fruit also purifies the blood.
Want to know more about these topics? Please follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.